Napansin mo ba, may mga tao na parang laging may overflow? Hindi na uubusan, laging may enough at may sobra pa. Ano kaya ang secret? Hindi ito swerte, hindi lang skill, pero may spiritual principle. Proverbs 11:25 ang sabi, "The generous person will prosper. Whoever refreshes others will be refreshed." Ibig sabihin, habang binibless mo ang iba, ikaw mismo binibless din. Second Corinthians 9:8 says, "God is able to bless you abundantly so that you will abound in every good work." Napansin mo ba yon? Binibless ka ni Lord hindi lang para sa iyo, kundi para ma-bless mo rin ang iba. At ang pinaka-secret, John 15:5, "I am the vine, he who abides in me bears much fruit." Overflow is not forced. It flows when you stay connected kay Jesus. So kung gusto mo ng overflow, stay connected lagi sa Kanya. Magkaroon ng grateful heart. Be generous. Believe in Jesus, my friend. Siya ang source ng lahat ng abundance. Like, share, subscribe, and comment this. I live in overflow and I am blessed to be a blessing to many.